Demonstration will show you what is actually happening to the Dead Sea. Okay, so let's see. So companies, when they locate mineral resources in the Dead Sea, so when they come to extract the mineral resources, so they will use their tractors, excavators, and then they will push sand into the Dead Sea. When they push sand into the Dead Sea, okay, so that their tractors, their excavators can enter. Okay, so they will make the water to escape. You understand? What I will show you. They will make it escape. Just look at